Hey guys, we're going to do a quick steaming on the carpet. I do this every so often with the Dupre Neat because it puts 275 degrees of super hot steam into the carpet. If there's any germs or whatever in there, it kills them. That's what I'm doing. This isn't what I call a carpet cleaning. This is more of a sterilization, if you will. So anyway, here we go. And if you notice, it's not a slow, delicate process. Oh, and for those of you who are interested, if you have like dog urine in your carpet, and you put this down and you go like at this place right here, it'll steam that dog urine right out. So, this technique will get everything. Move this forward a bit. Now Joe's we got our new Scorp gimbal, and Joe's doing a manual, where he took the handle off and he moves the camera. So he's learning it. So he's not 100% proficient at it yet, but he is. So if the scenes aren't all perfect because the camera goes off a little bit, that won't last forever. Joe will figure this out in a few more videos, and he'll be as proficient as this thing is when you turn on the tracker device. So this video is as much about that Scorp gimbal as it is steaming. But it's technically a steaming video, but Joe's using it as a chance to learn how to use the gimbal better. So this is all there is to it. Oh, in case you didn't notice, there's no pad on the bottom of this. That enables it to put out even higher PSI of steam right into the carpet, which is exactly what I want. Now I guess, without asking Joe, he'll put a link in the video description, won't you, to this Dupre Neat, for people who think this is neat and they want to get one.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you get a Dupre Neat, it's neat. Okay, so if you want one of those, or he'll probably also put the Scorp gimbal, just a link to it, for those who want one of those as well. And I guess you can look to the, the GoPro 13?
Well,
The newest GoPro out. Okay. Now, if I was really worried about germs, I'd probably go down this slow here. But we don't have any dog urine. We don't have any kind of filth in our carpet where I gotta be worried about germs. So, I mean, the odds are we walked in the grass outside, and maybe got some urine on our shoes or some dog feces, but nothing significant. So we're not like terribly worried about going like tediously slow like this, because there's nothing really in the carpets for us to be nervous about. Because we keep these carpets so clean that you could probably get down and lick them. Not that I'm recommending it, but that's the steaming right there for the whole living room, which is the video. So, you got anything you want to add, Joe?
Nope.
Okay, you guys, I guess that's it.